Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, got a special video here today. Gonna be unboxing and reviewing some sick headphones. This video is just gonna be strictly an unboxing and first impressions, and then I'm gonna be doing another video on these headphones, an actual in-depth, comprehensive review, my thoughts, pros and cons when it comes to these headphones. So, shout out to TREBLAB for sending these out to me. Shout out to that. I'm going to be leaving a link to these headphones in the description of this video with a discount code so you guys can go pick them up at a discounted price off Amazon. These are one of the most searched for and most popular headphones, noise canceling over-ear headphones on Amazon right now. You can go check that out right now. These are awesome. So these are the TREBLAB Z2 wireless HD headphones, active noise cancellation, extra long battery life. I think they say it's like 35 hours or something. Yep, 35 hours of extra long battery life. As you guys can see here, let me just tilt it up for you. Truly incredible HD sound. Our most advanced technology sound with aptX delivers goosebump-inducing audio quality with high performance, I don't know how to say that, backed 40 millimeters speakers. Okay, so we got active noise cancellation, cloud-like comfort, Z2 wireless HD headphones, and 35 hours of extra long battery life. That is pretty solid for Bluetooth headphones. And I believe these come with a cable as well if you want to just listen and use your phone's battery to power them up. So let's get unboxing this. As you can see, we got the TREBLAB logo right there. I'm hopefully saying their company name right. But yeah, let's try to get in this. I don't currently have a knife on me. Actually, I'll be right back. I'll grab a knife. So I'm gonna use a key to actually open these. This isn't a knife, but this should do the trick just fine. Also, guys, shout out to TREBLAB for the dope packaging. I love this kind of packaging. I think more companies should utilize this packaging. Okay, so I think, is this magnetic? Ooh, I think this is magnetic. Okay, looks like I opened up this the wrong way. Let's open it the right way. I think it unfolds like this. This is dope. I think Samsung has similar packaging to this, so it just opens up like this, which is really nice. And here we have the hard shell case that it comes with. Shout out to them for actually including a case. Not all companies do that, so let's throw that to the side and let's show what this actually looks like. Let me just get a different angle here. TREBLAB. I actually like their logo right here. I think it's a nice clean logo. As I said, I'm gonna be linking these down in the description for you guys to go pick it up. I'd highly recommend it just because these got tons of amazing reviews on Amazon. And it also comes with a little clip right here, which is pretty cool. So you can clip these on your backpack or whatnot so you don't lose them. And then a little strap right here, whatever you want to do for that. Let's unzip these bad boys. And here are the headphones themselves. Let me just get that into frame. As you can see, they got the TREBLAB logo right here on the side. Nice smooth finish to it, and we got some just protective packaging stuff and whatnot. Okay, so here we have the manual, which it includes most headphones include manuals on how to use them and stuff, but to be honest, I don't think most people actually need to read this. But as you can see, it's got a cable that it comes with. It's got play, pause, answer phone calls, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. It's pretty easy. This is everything it includes. Let me just show you right there. The headphones, the case, the charging cord, and the aux-in cable. Turn the page, just like a layout of everything on the headphones, all the buttons, ports, stuff like that. How to pair it, yada yada yada, audio controls. I don't need to read this. I know how headphones work by now. Hopefully I do. Okay, so here we got the cables. We have a aux cable. As you can see, it's got the 3 lines, meaning you can actually use the microphone in wired mode, not just Bluetooth mode. I got a pair of headphones that only worked with the mic in Bluetooth mode, which is really annoying because I like to use headphones at my Xbox, as you guys know, and I like to use voice chat, stuff like that. Also a flat cable so you won't experience too much tangling, which is awesome. Now let's get over here, and we also have the micro USB charging cable, which is really nice that they include this as well. Also flat. Sadly no USB-C. I would like to see USB-C on headphones like this, but what can you do at this price point? Most USB-C headphones are like over $300, so it's not a big point loss, but let's just get these out of here. I like how they have the strap here to keep them nice and tucked, and you'll experience no damage when actually putting them in the case. So throw this away. I don't think we really need that, but here's the first impressions of me actually holding the headphones. As you can see, they swivel to the side right here. I think it's a mostly plastic build, but a lot of people say that these are really lightweight and they're really comfortable, and I have to attest to that. I have to agree with them. These are really lightweight and these feel insanely comfortable, guys. The first impressions, here we have, it tells you right, Z2 there, left, TREBLAB there. We got adjustments here, that's metal band. This is nice, TREBLAB, big TREBLAB logo on the top there. I can already tell these are gonna be some of the most comfortable Bluetooth headphones I've ever had, and I like the design of them. They seem like they're gonna be a nice comfy fit, so no complaints there. Actually, I'll put them on real quick and tell you guys how they actually fit on my head. Yep, nice and lightweight. I can already tell these are gonna be dope. Okay, so let's just show you the ports. Here's the on and off switch for active noise cancellation. Oh, it looks like we got some juice already, which I like. Here we go. On the right side, it seems that we have, oh, upside down. What is this? Fast forward and volume up, play pause, and then, I don't know, or that might be backwards, I'm not sure. But then we have a volume down key right there. We got the micro USB charging. We got the aux, and I think that little dot right there is the microphone. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find these headphones very cool. I think these are really solid. TREBLAB is a great company on Amazon. So guys, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description for you guys to go pick them up, and then I'm gonna get to know these headphones, use them for a while, and I'll let you guys know what my honest thoughts are on them. As I said before, link in the description, go pick them up. If you're new to the channel here, guys, and you want to see more awesome tech-related stuff, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and leave me a comment down below what you guys think of these headphones and other headphones you want me to check out. So that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.